Hey, what's up? Today I will be testing wireless earbuds with flagship features, but very attractive price. These are ZMI PurPods Pro, and they cost $80. By the way, I have a global version of the new wireless earbuds. ZMI PurPods Pro have Bluetooth 5.2, a dual driver ANC, triple microphone, wireless charging support, and many other features. If you have Xiaomi smartphone, then you will definitely like these earbuds, because they have a beautiful connection animation. However, you can also use the earbuds with any smartphone. For example, I am testing them with iPhone 12. Okay, let's look at the packaging and what's inside the box. And then let's talk about the earbuds themselves. Please hit the like button under this video and let's get started. We have ordered ZMI PurPods Pro wireless earbuds on AliExpress and received them in this box. There is all information about earbuds, such as name and design on the front, specifications on the back, and main features on the side faces. We will talk about all specs and features later in this video. I want to note that all inscriptions on the box are in English. It means that I have a global version of earbuds. Inside the box there is a charging case with earbuds, extra silicone ear tips, USB Type-C charging cable, and user manual. The user manual is in different languages. You know, ZMI PurPods Pro earbuds are available only in white color, but you can buy the original pink, blue or gray case for charging case on the AliExpress. The size of the charging case is 60 by 50 by 21 mm. The weight with earbuds is 57 grams. On the front we can see a physical button and backlit ZMI logo. You can press on it to check the battery level of charging case. On the bottom there is only USB Type-C port. Inside the case we have left and right earbuds. The size of the one earbud is 36 by 22 by 26 mm. I don't know how important it is for you, but the weight of a one earbud is 5 grams. You know, the earbuds look very clean. We can see only microphone on the outside and charging contacts with the second microphone on the bottom. By the way, the touch control panel is not on the outside, but on the side. This is very interesting. I have never seen this before in other earbuds. As for me, it is very convenient location for touch control button. You should also know that ZMI PurPods Pro is sweat-proof and splash-proof by IPX4 standard. The earbuds are suitable for sports, but you shouldn't swim in the pool with them. So I think you will agree with me that ZMI PurPods Pro looks similar to Apple AirPods, but this is more an advantage than disadvantage for me, because I like its simple and clean design. As you may know, ZMI is a partner of Xiaomi, so you have a very beautiful animation when connecting ZMI PurPods Pro to Xiaomi device. You just need to open the charging case and there will be a connection window on your Xiaomi smartphone. There is information about battery level of charging case and earbuds. However, you can also connect the new ZMI earbuds to any other mobile device. For example, if you want to connect ZMI PurPods Pro to iPhone 12, then just open charging case, go to Bluetooth settings on your smartphone and choose ZMI PurPods Pro. That's all. By the way, you can see the earbuds battery level in the status bar of your phone. It is a very useful feature. As already said, ZMI PurPods Pro have touch control panels. With a long press on the left or right earbuds, you can switch modes from ANC and transparency. The single tap either earbud to play pause the music. You can also dual tap to play the next song and triple tap to call voice assistant. ZMI PurPods Pro have triple microphone, but we will talk about microphone quality a little later. Now I want to say that you can enter or end the call with single tap on the earbuds and reject the call with touch and hold either earbud. You know, ZMI PurPods Pro also have a companion app on smartphones. It is called the ZMI Hear. However, I couldn't find it on the App Store. It seems that the application is available only for Android devices. There are many useful functions in the app, such as active noise cancelling on-off, ambient sound, and white noise cancelling. You can choose equalizer mode from bass and balance. I forgot to tell you about other features of ZMI PurPods Pro. The new wireless earbuds have adaptive volume, adaptive ANC, and in-ear detection. Adaptive volume and adaptive ANC automatically adjust the volume and the noise cancellation depths depending on the environment. The earbuds also have automatic gaming mode. It is available only in MIUI system. You can also change the control functions in the app, device name, and check the current version. Another useful feature is Find My Device. If you lost the charging case as well as left or right earbuds, you can find them by using the app on smartphone. Very nice. As I already said, ZMI PurPods Pro have adaptive gaming mode, and it is available only on Xiaomi devices. I want to test the latency on iPhone 12. Let's play a little in PUBG Mobile. The manufacturer promises 87 milliseconds latency, but I cannot confirm this. I think the latency is very low. I didn't notice any problems in the game. Probably you will have even lower latency on Xiaomi smartphone. Okay, now let's test the microphone. ZMI PurPods Pro earbuds have triple microphone and speech, FF and FB technology support. Let's first test microphone in completely silence and then in a crowded place.
Hey guys, I'm testing the microphone of ZMI PurPods Pro. Right now, I am in my studio. It is very quiet here. Hey guys, I'm in a crowded place, and it's pretty noisy. Do you still hear me well? I hope so.
You know, I think the microphone of ZMI PurPods Pro earbuds is really good. Finally, let's talk about sound quality of the new ZMI earbuds. First, I want to say that they support SBC and AAC codecs. As I already said before, the earbuds support active noise cancelling technology. I think it is a revolutionary technology. This is a very useful feature if you listen to music in a public transport or a crowded place. You can choose balance and bass mode in the app. This is a real difference. If you like a powerful bass, then it is better to enable bass mode. If you don't like the high bass in music, you can reduce it by using the balance mode. In general, the sound quality of ZMI PurPods Pro is very good. I think it is better than some more expensive flagship earbuds. The new ZMI earbuds also have some features in battery. The battery life depends on the mode. Without active noise cancellation, the earbuds can play music up to 10 hours on a single charge. Using ANC mode, you will have about 7 hours of playtime. In transparency mode, the earbuds have 8 hours of battery life. You can also use the charging case to recharge the earbuds. The total battery life with charging case is 32 hours. Another feature of ZMI PurPods Pro earbuds is wireless charging support. You can use any QI-compatible wireless charger. You know, ZMI PurPods Pro are some of the most advanced wireless earbuds that I have tested in a while. They cost only $80 but have many flagship features, such as ANC and transparency mode, adaptive volume and adaptive ANC, in-ear detection, Bluetooth 5.2 support, long battery life up to 32 hours, wireless charging support, and a very useful application on smartphone. I am very impressed by ZMI PurPods Pro earbuds. If you already have them, please write your opinion in the comments below. What do you like and dislike in these earbuds? Thank you for watching this video. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, Tech Brothers.